Makery Fowler, and this is Foraging the Bushcraft Chopper. Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you doing?
Nice to finally meet. This is Ryan, Bell Hill Forge, Ryan Adams, and he is a blacksmith. See him in Instagram, link below. And this is his Bushcraft chopper knife. And we're gonna make one based off of his design and what I wanna see of a knife today. Check out how sharp this baby is. Boom. Let's make ourselves a Bushcraft chopper.
All right, let's do it.
And if you haven't seen it yet, check out the link below for the first video we did. How to forge a slingshot out of a railroad spike. Wow, so like pinching that piece of metal, like you must have pretty darn strong hands after all that. Here, give me a handshake. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Give it a good squeeze.
Okay.
Ah, all right. No, just
all night long. Let me see that
tong 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 tong.
Yeah. So the coal's all coked up now, which means that sulfur, has burnt out of it, or the majority of it has. So we're ready to go. Ready to stick some iron in the fire and get
iron in the first contact with the fire.
All right. Grab the persuader here. Start working on the blade section now. Our first job is going to be to stretch that to length. The folks that I used to watch just keep putting out a lot of the same old stuff. Only so many times you can watch somebody cook a steak in mud. You can hear it tinking as it cools down.
All kinds of these beautiful cars going by. Apparently Union, Maine is a pass-through spot for the great race, amazing race, some sort of race going on right now. Awesome.
For a chopper, we're a little short.
Yep.
I'd like to get just a little bit extra length on here. But if I do that, we're going to sacrifice a little bit of the width. I'd be more comfortable if it was just a little bit longer, and if we sacrifice just a little bit of the depth that you wanted in the blade.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah.
kind of looking at it like you look down your slingshot bands too, making sure I can't see the bottom edge past the top edge. Where's the marshmallows?
Yeah, went from positively hot out all day to cooling off in the evening. We're doing the last steps here. What is this part called?
This is heat cycling.
Heat cycling.
We'll be hardening it next, and then tempering, and then sharpening. The heat cycling, like I said earlier, just takes all those forging stresses out and reduces the chance of cracking when we go to harden it. You take it out and let it cool to black. So, and this is the super fun part where we just watch it. It's gonna smell like we're frying us a turkey. When you prep it to quench, you want that bright orange color, which is typically around 1500 degrees. And at that temperature, the metal becomes non-magnetic.
All right, it's almost time to quench it. And my slingshot is done, and then the knife will be done too. I couldn't just watch him make stuff all day.
We have us a blade.
There it is, all quenched.
It's hardened. We're gonna do a quick file test. And she skates.
Nice.
So we've got a good hard blade.
All right, she's quenched. Now it's just
Tempering process.
tempering process.
Yeah. And then sharpen her up.
We're packing up the forge stuff for tonight. All right, this turned out awesome. He took it home and hardened it. I am so psyched. This thing is super sharp. I don't even testing on my fingernails. Let's head out there and even maybe this really awesome sheath. I could throw that on my belt and play around with it. We're gonna head out over there, see what its capabilities are. I'm gonna try mine out against his, see if we can't chop through some stuff. Let's go.
All right.
All right, first challenge for the knife. Gotta hang a piece of rope about 3/4 inch cotton line. See if we could chop through this baby with one swing. He's doing some pruning. Ready? Oh! Ended up going back and refilming this. We cut through the rope with both of our knives, but it flipped out of the way and you couldn't see. Oh, that almost looks cleaner. All right, maybe yours is sharper than mine. He sharpened his better. Figures.
Geometry.
Geometry. Yeah, it is his, if you notice, has this beautiful shape to it. First thought was it resembles the shape of the kukri and other knives that have that shape for chopping bigger stuff. I wanted something that looked a little flatter, because everybody knows I love my culinary. I'm imagining cutting up some beautiful giant turkeys or maybe a pig on the Bushcraft water wheel. Let's head over to the stump and see what it does with just hand pressure. All right, got a piece of rope. We're gonna go with just a hand pressure cut. Nice, this thing is sharp. That's nothing for this blade. I didn't make my notch wide enough. Well, my technique needs some work, but let's see. Ooh, she's still just as sharp as when I started.
Hey, see if this one's up to the challenge.
Whew! They're both ruggedly sharp. I think you sharpened mine a little bit better. Let's see how the water bottles hold up against it. You can cut through the most. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, I think you got, I missed. There we go, got the ones I missed. I guess we both know who the samurai is and the blacksmith. Oh, that's good.
That was a long day of forging.
That was a long, long day of forging in the heat and the sun and the heat of the forge. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much for coming out and doing this. What a blast.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, hit that bell icon, and torture everybody making them watch my videos. We'll see you next time. Fowler out. All right, I'm gonna load up his anvil for him. This thing's 190 pounds. Ah. All right, I'm gonna do one lap around the house. All right. No, cut out for a second so it looks like I'm returning. I'm going all the way around the house. Actually, I think I could have gone all the way around the house. And if you haven't seen it yet, check it out, our forging a slingshot video where we forged a slingshot and a cool leaf-shaped spinner. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.